Let's go.
Hey guys, back to another video. To change the lip color, first of all, click on the pen tool. After Okay guys, after that just click on the selection and change the feather radius to 6. Press OK like this.
Understand?
After that, make a copy of it. Okay, press Ctrl J. After that, press Ctrl J. It will create a copy like this. Okay, after that, go to the solid color. Click on the solid color, select the color you want on your lips, just go for it, and after selecting the color, press OK. After that, press Alt and create a mask like this. Okay, after that, go there and choose linear burn. Press on it, okay, like this. After pressing on the linear burn, just what you have to do is go to this option, press on the blending options, and just blend it to make it look kind of real. So it will look real, okay? Like this. Just blend it. So yeah, like that. And after blending it, press OK. Okay, after this, just choose the brush, select white color, and just start leading. Start erasing the, one that is not clear. Make it more refined, like this. And just clear out the teeth as well after, cleaning out the boundary, like this. Just go for all the area where the teeth are, like this. And just keep going until you are complete. So yeah, in this way you can change your lip color in Photoshop, okay? So okay guys, for more videos like this, don't forget to like, share and comment, and do tell me in the comment section as well what more videos you want to watch and what you want to keep watching. Don't forget to mention in the comment section, and take care. Allah Hafiz.